Hey guys, Nate here with the 99 Outdoors. Today, we're here at Natural Falls State Park in Colcord, Oklahoma. And join us as we go exploring waterfalls, checking out some crazy cliffs, and jumping in the water at Flint Creek. Made it to the top of the rock. I'm as tall as this tree now. All right, you guys, we have made it to the Natural Falls State Park. Let's go check it out. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but little baby birds are in there. It's so cute. All right, you guys, we're gonna go head on the trail and check out some of the caves and waterfalls. Come check it out. Well, some good news is that somebody's already walked this trail this morning because I haven't gotten a single spider web yet. Well, this ain't no joke of a downward hike. Whew. So something really cool, if you guys ever find yourself in a survival situation where you need fire but you can't get it started, look no further than the cedar tree. Right here is the sap, and this is what the tree gives out whenever it's injured. Now this stuff is antimicrobial, highly flammable, and very, very good for your body. And as you can see, it's really easily moldable. And another thing, it smells so good. Whew. Whew. Almost went tumbling there. Hey, stop being so noisy. I'm scaring all the animals. I think this is a cave up here, you guys. You guys, we are under a big old ledge. Hopefully there's no falling rocks. Come on, people. There's no way. The one water park you can't swim at is the one they're leaving trash at. I'm gonna throw this away and take it with us today because this is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Check this out. I think we kind of have to in a cave. Echo! 4 out of 10. Dang, this is cool though. Wow. Man, God is good. God is so good. This looks like a trail. Oh, I found it. Woo! Don't fall down. So to all my mycology nerds out there, what are these things? I mean, I see stuff. I see these on like stumps and I think they're turkey tails, but these don't have the colors of turkey tail. Whew. I tell y'all what, these inclines are crazy. Holy crap. Oh, wow. I could jump right now. Who's gonna stop me? That's a joke. One day I'll be jumping off cliffs. Well, part of the trail involves walking through a thorn bush, which I didn't know that. Here we go. Ow. I'm just, you know what? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's keep going. Is that what I think it is? Because I think it is what I think it is. I forgot the name, but I'm gonna add it in post. But wow, look at this guy. Yeah, so the gills in her look like that. Wow, there's no gills. I don't even know what this is. I love mushrooms so much. They're so cool. I hear a waterfall. Let's go check it out. All right, we got our first crossing. I guess we got to do rock hopping. Not supposed to touch the water. Whew. Whew. Almost touched it. Okay. All right. And there ain't nowhere to go after that, so didn't even get wet. Let's go. Man, y'all are killing me. Hey, listen, I'm gonna be so real with everybody here watching this video. If I'm ever hiking with you and I see you litter, I'm throwing hands with you without even saying any words. Pick up your trash and leave no trace. That's a cool rock. Wonder if I can get up there. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going up there. I can't help myself. I'm like a child. I'm like the outdoors is my candy. And who's gonna tell me I can't have candy as an adult? Ugh. Okay. We're climbing this rock with 3 hands so I can record at the same time and make sure that everybody gets footage they want, they need, and they deserve. And ladies and gentlemen, made it to the top of the rock. I'm as tall as this tree now. Pretty cool. Whew. I tell you guys what, it's humid out here. I gotta lay down. Pretty cool. I could just fall down. All right, now we're going down. Whew. Dang, y'all. This is how tall I am compared to it. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. Okay. The remaining portion involves a steep walk. Do not attempt this walk unless you're in reasonably good condition. We're about to see how a 230-pound, 5'11" man can do. Let go. Okay, update. I'm doing my best. This is tough. What the heck? Wow. All right, you guys. We have disposed of the trash. We came across the yurts over here, and there's a family, and I had asked them, hey, can I throw this away in your trash can? They said, yeah. So how about that? Oh, yes! If you guys don't know, this right here is honeysuckle. This is not the native kind. I believe this is, I don't know where it's from, but unfortunately can't pick the fauna here, so we can't enjoy it. But if you guys ever want to try the honeysuckle, there's like different flavors, kind of. I don't know, I just remember as a kid eating them at my grandparents' house all the time, and I was like, oh, this one tastes like Dr. Pepper. Oh, this one tastes like honey, or, you know, whatever. Good times. That is definitely a memory crop for me. It smells so fresh out here. You guys, what? It is hot. Let's see if we got any water here. Oh, we do. Oh. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Good. You know, humidity don't feel too bad whenever you're already soaking wet. Why is it so hard for people to pick up their trash? It's literally as easy as this. And it's gone. Well, it seems like that was it for the Natural Springs State Park. We're headed off to the creek. We can go do some swimming. It's hot. Howdy. $20. 20 bucks. That's a lot. I didn't realize there was gonna be this many people here.
On a weekend when it's this hot, we're always busy.
True.
If you get a chance, come out during our week. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we might have maybe at the most 30 cars in here all day. No styrofoam ice chest, no fireworks. Those are all state laws and finable, and we get patrolled by 4 different entities that will write you tickets for them. No loud music. That's our own private thing.
Yeah.
We are a private park, so no filming. The way the law works, according to the police officer I talked to, in a public area, there is no rights to privacy. So you can film whatever you want. Yourself, others, everything going on. But in a private setting, you can't without their permission. They can intentionally ask you if they catch you on camera to delete the footage, and you have to.
Well, that is some of the most unfortunate news I've heard all day. Well, hopefully we'll be able to go swim somewhere because it's hot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to hit subscribe and check out the channel for plenty of other videos just like this one. Thank you.